welcome to Thrive Yoga and Wellness and Thrive Online. My name is Jennifer Dixon, and I'm going to give you one quick tip to help you with your yoga practice today. So oftentimes when you are cued to come into triangle pose, you're going to hear the statement, pretend you're between two panes of glass. That can be really difficult if you don't have a lot of openness in your hips, your hamstrings, and even in your core. So let me give you one trick that might help you to get between those two panes of glass. Typically, when you come into your triangle pose, you're coming into it from a warrior two position. Those back feet are parallel to the back of the mat, front feet are facing forward. When you go into triangle, you're going to straighten your legs, shift the hips back, reach the hands forward. Now, we'll talk another day about how to grab hold of those big toes, but today I want to focus on how we can get that top hip, in this case the right hip, on top of the left. Most of the time, you're in this warrior 2 feet position with that back foot facing or parallel to the back of the mat. Go ahead and try bringing those back toes forward ever so slightly. So like you're trying to be in warrior 1 feet instead with that back foot. What happens, especially if you have really tight hip flexors, that creates just enough space for you to be able to rotate that hip in the pelvis to where that right hip goes up a little bit higher, which might be all that you need to be able to get your hips stacked on top of each other. Again, it's a small movement, just a couple inches, those back toes going from parallel to the back of the mat to just pigeon-toed in slightly. And that could be all the space that you need to be able to get those hips stacked a little bit better. Thanks so much for watching. Again, my name is Jennifer Dixon from Thrive Yoga and Wellness and Thrive Online. If you liked this tip, make sure that you subscribe to this channel. Definitely follow us and check us out online at thriveyogaandwellness.com and thriveyogaandwellness.com/thrive-online. I can't wait to see you next week. Take care. Bye-bye.